These mechanical toy videos are trending right now, and they're taking over every major social media platform. Creators are pulling in thousands of dollars simply by posting this exact style of content. Just take a look at this page. Over 329,000 followers gained by uploading these videos consistently, with individual uploads exploding to 22 million, 31 million, and even 21 million views. And here's the best part. Every single one of these videos can be created using completely free AI tools in less than 3 minutes. Now watch what I just made using this exact workflow. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process from start to finish. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generator and open the first result that appears. Once you're inside, click Start Generator, and within a few seconds, it will instantly generate 10 unique mechanical toy concepts that are already designed to grab attention. Instead of spending hours thinking of ideas, you'll have 10 viral-ready concepts waiting for you. Simply choose any number you like. I'm going with number 7. As soon as you enter your choice, ChatGPT will generate 2 detailed image prompts, along with 1 cinematic video prompt, all optimized across 6 different AI models. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image generation option, double-check that your preferred settings are enabled, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Within moments, Google Flow will create a highly detailed image for your opening scene. Here's the trick that makes your final video look polished and consistent. Pick your favorite generated image, click the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt. Then copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate again. Because the first image is being used as a visual reference, your second image will perfectly match the style, lighting, colors, making both scenes blend together naturally. Once the second image is ready, switch over to the video generation option. Select your preferred video settings, use the first image as the starting frame and the second image as the ending frame. Then paste the video prompt generated by ChatGPT and click Generate. In just a few seconds, Google Flow will transform those static images into a smooth, ultra-realistic mechanical toy animation that's ready to upload instantly. The final result looks clean, satisfying, and exactly like the type of videos that rack up millions of views. And this isn't the only one. I created another video using the same method, and the results were just as impressive.